Oh, hello. Sean, welcome in. Oh, I forgot to announce. I forgot to announce. Oh no. I wrote out a whole thing and it's gone now. Nuts. Long finish. Long 3. 4 days left. 4 days left. Yeah. Wait, there's 4 days left. We need to finish this off. We need to finish this off. I had 2 thoughts. So, okay, let's start with what I've done so far. I've been playing around with shaders. So, like, I colored the Fimsh, but it won't be this. It won't be this. Actually, it shouldn't be this. Oh, yeah. It was just a little funny I did. But what I did do is we have a game background now, and, it's alright. I don't think it's the best, but it'll do. It'll do. You're Aston and hello. Sandy, welcome. Yeah, I've been working on the game while I was offline because I just felt like it. So yeah, I was playing with a bunch of shaders. This background is probably the best I had. But I also realized if I go customize run arguments. Oh, run main args. I do have override main run args. Wait. I need to see. I think there's a way we can get OBS game capture to actually capture the right thing. Maybe. Like maybe not, but also maybe. No, it just captures the same window over and over again. Discard. Wait. So if I stop this and then we come back here. If I do that and then we click play. The problem is it has the same name. These have the same name as the main window. And so not only that, well, like they all show up as the same program in OBS Game Capture, and it just shows me the editor instead of the window that opened up. So I don't know how we fix that. What if launch arguments override? Can I want to be able to set an environment variable, but there's only launch arguments. Sleepy, hello, hi. Okay. I don't know. Why does it work like this? I am feeling better, yeah. It was really weird, but yeah, I am feeling better. Yeah, cause like, yeah, it is good. Well, actually, what I wanted to do was like make this ever so slightly faster. I think that's too fast still. Wait, anyway. Oh, right. Yeah, okay. I don't know how we do this. So I guess we just go back to I do this thing. Because like here I can put OBS game capture and it does work, but it only applies it to the main the editor and not the things that launch, which is unfortunate. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is what it looks like now. So if we go play, play, uh, currently it's a rainbow because I was playing with shaders. But otherwise, yeah, I don't know. It's not the best, I think, but I think it's better than the grid thing that we had before. I'm not sure. Like my main thing here is like it kind of feels mm, hard to see the food. I'm gonna go with this one. I think. The walls aren't exactly in the right place. Also, I think it would be cool if I change the wall texture to be something more thematic than just a wall. But yeah, it is what it is. Okay. Oh yeah, we added colorblind mode. So this is something. Uh, this is a different colorblind mode, and this is another colorblind mode. I don't know how like true these are. I don't have any of these colorblind, so I don't know if they actually help, but this one especially seems quite brutal on the identifying where the food is and what's the background. But anyway, we have this, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Mm. I did have an issue earlier. Maybe it's only when the window's small, but at some point the background texture just decides it doesn't want to render anymore. And I think it's because position-wise we get too far away from it. I don't remember, but maybe I fixed it because maybe it was the parallax shenanigans. What I do need to do is the walls are currently not in the right place because they don't take in their own thickness. I'll put that under like we'll put that under like here. Walls don't take into account their own thickness. Like so. Expand random name. Oh yeah. I need to I need to add more name shenanigans because if we head over to game, we are in game. Where did we put this? Username section, username play button, spectate button. Oh, random buttons here. Username.pick random. Oh, it's in here. Yeah, I need to expand these, so there's a lot more to choose from. Act adjectives. Yeah, why is that hard to say? And nouns. Oh, yo, we should put Al in there. Al is a noun. Sleepy is an adjective. You're right. We have bunny. Fimsh, fish, flesh, hunger, food. Uh, ooh, sizable. That's a adjective. Sizable. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Mm-hmm. Oh, spicy, spicy. And then we also have hay. Hay is a noun. Um, there's twitchy, twitchy. There's spent. Spent is an adjective. Spent. Exhausted. Exhausted. Gigamp. Gigampified. Gigam. Wait, how does that work? I want to put a P after that M, but it doesn't make sense. Gigampified. Gig gigantified, and then yeah, okay, nice. Oh, I need to sneeze. There's so much we need to add to this. This isn't technically functionality, it's just a nice to have. I guess forest can be one. Forest. Fire. I mean, have hot. Dicey. I guess dicey might work. No, we need a lot of cute. How do we not have cute? Yeah, we don't have cute. What the lovely? Yeah, okay. We need to expand this more, but it's fine. It's fine. It is what it is. Yeah, I guess it's fine. It'll be whatever it is. I should also, okay, another thing which would be nice is like save used username and load it. Yeah, so this is like extra. So I want an extra category, extra. And then this is save used username, reload it, save settings, and reload it. Yo, anomaly. Yo, it's been a hot minute. Yo, look, it's 4 days until I have to submit this game for the game jam. But look, it's a little Fimsh Owlkaline. I need to fix the player texture. But yeah, it's I'm excited. It's fully multiplayer and all that, and browser as well as desktop. But yeah, I don't know if you were here in the last 30 streams, but it is what it is. Wait, let me just fix this. Save. Did it? Yeah, it is the right way. And then tail segment. Yeah, what you do need to do is make it like glow, like have some sort of effect when it has faster speed. Um, that is on the list. Oh wait, we've done this. Add settings for disabling controller, mouse, or keyboard. I'm pretty sure I've done this. Let me make sure they still run. I think the last thing we were doing is like, if I disable keyboard and just untick controller if it's here the same. Yeah. So now if I go now I can't override it with keyboard, but if I turn this off, yeah, okay, nice. Perfect. Perfection. Okay, nice. I can tick that off then. Very sick. Very sick. You like sometimes, but you rarely use Twitch anymore. You've become very procrastinative. Procrastinative. That's unfortunate. Sometimes I like to do Twitch while I do programming, and there's like a nice combo. But you know, it is what it is. But yeah, bugs. We still just have the tabbed out issue. That's fine. Background. Kinda ticked. Kinda ticked for now. That's fine. I don't have a visual of when the player's immune. Ah, shit. I also need that visual. Today, day 69. Yeah, I need a Godot expert in here. I need a Godot expert in here because like I need this arrow. Like I need something simple, which is I need this arrow to point towards whoever the largest Fimsh is which we got almost there. Like we had everything, like we were rotating it correctly. However, uh, because it should be a UI element and it's like it should be a circle warped by however big your window is. I didn't know how to do that. It became complicated. Um, mm, 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 mm. If I go here and we go push warning, new king Fimsh ID. I just need to make sure this still works because I did all the logic for finding out what the new king Fimsh is. Thank you for the head pat, Astaton. Um, click play. Which one is the client? Is this the client? Connecting to server. Yeah, this is the client. Now if we go here and click play, when we eat one, we should become like the new king Fimsh, I believe. Yeah, okay, nice. Yeah, that still works. Also, I broke the sound at some point. The sound broke, so we don't have eating noises. Um, yeah. Anyway, so this gets the angle to the new king Fimsh, which is fine. Wait, when does this run? Oh, when we get the king Fimsh position, yeah, that's fine. Um, I guess what we need to do. Well, the problem is the player camera rotates with the player, which is bad. It's bad. Um, what we do want to do though is we should get the height of the window. Get window. Is this expensive? This is equivalent of getting the root node. Get tree. Get root. I'm just gonna go here and go file window, and then here we go. Window is equal to get window, and then here we can just go window dot resolution. Size. Oh, size changed. Okay, yeah, that will be better. We go var max distance is a float, I think. And then here we go window dot size change dot connect. Well, yeah, okay, so what does this pass in? Nothing. This will be update update update. What are we updating? The max distance update. Max distance. Oh yeah. So here we go. Update max distance. We just call it here as well. Max distance on creation. Yeah. So we go func update max distance. And here we go. Window dot size. Var w size is equal to this, and then we just get rid of this, I think, just entirely. And then here we go, if w size dot x is greater than y, yeah, if y is less than or equal to w size dot x, then we do stuff, otherwise we do something else. So max distance is equal to w size dot y, otherwise max distance is equal to w size dot x. And then the position in x and y should be this multiplied by Well, we need something slightly less than max distance, but we'll try this. We'll try this. Let's click play. Wait, that. Well, there's only one entity. If we go client play. Okay, it kind of worked. But yeah, okay, it is kind of working, but we don't have proper lerping, which we can fix. But the problem is it rotates with the camera, well, with everything above it. Didn't we do something to camera to make it like it's under limit? Or ignore rotation. It's true, the camera's rendered view is not affected by. Yeah, I need this, but for transform rotate. Yeah, there is no ignore rotation. I wonder if we go. Is there like a rotation updated? Ignore. No. Wait, I need to look this up. Godot. Right, ignore rotation. I got scared for a second. I'm like, yo, did I not go live on Twitch? Oh, I certainly did not start my recording, that's for sure. Not Twitch, YouTube. How do I make a child ignore parent? Setting up top level to be true on the child and then add new sibling of type remote transform to. Oh yeah, so it says to top level to be true. Okay. On the child X and then adding a new sibling, no type of remote transform 2D that points to X and only updates when you need position rotate this way and effectively break any child from the transform. Okay, let me click play. What does it say just with top level? What is it? What does it work? It doesn't even show up anymore. It doesn't even show up anymore. That's okay, that's fine. So we add a child of remote transform. Oh, it doesn't like that. It does not like this. What is the exclamation mark? Fast probably must point to a valid node 2D. Oh, does this have to go inside that? Or I can put that like this. Do I need it to be top level? Yeah, I'm gonna undo the top level thing. And I'm gonna click play. Okay. Client play. Oh no, it didn't work. Wow. Wow. Wait, the it's gone. Well, that's a bug. Yeah, yeah, okay. It's still rotating. Wait. Let me try the top level thing. See? Oh wait, I just need to update rotation. Play. Client play. Um, it's non-existent. There's not enough food in the world, I think. Alright, let's start again. So if we go disconnect. Oh wait, maybe it doesn't reset properly. Let me click play again. Client play. Eat a food client play. Oh shit. There's no arrow. It doesn't exist anymore. Okay, so stop. So this is a remote transform 2D. We go here and we go at export var remote transform is a remote transform 2D. Let me do this. I don't know how that's not illegal, but that's fine. Here we go. Remote transform. Yo, I'm not done. Position dot x is equal to position dot x. Well, actually, let's do this properly. So I can just comment out the ones that deal with itself, like this. Position y, yeah, but this is now, yeah. What copy, paste, nice, remote transform dot rotation. No, not rotate. Rotation is equal to angle. Boom, 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 save. What does this do? If through the right node rotation is updated, yeah, we do this. Global coordinates, that's fine. Oh wait. Wait. We need the camera's position, right? No, we don't. We just need the snack's position. But even then, it doesn't seem to work. Yeah, there's no arrow. It's not. Why does top level do this? Click play. Client play. Oops, client. Wait, the arrow does exist, but it's still rotating with the player. What if I flip there? Like, this is a child of remote 2D transform. If you want to react it to her name, what did she do? Okay, yeah, it's still rotating incorrectly. Okay, stop. Global position? I don't know if this will fix it, but that's okay. Wait, does that even make sense? Wait, maybe this is working correctly. If we get the camera's position, well, if we get the player's position, so we go explorer layer, Why did it not update? Hello? Things update? Oh, it's in here. Okay. We go player. And then this is player dot global position dot x plus max distance. And player dot global position dot y plus max distance. Play. Oh. Ref counted. Invalid access or key to global position. Really? Is it just position then? I swear we had global position. Is this not a thing? I don't know who gets it. They're both at 1. Never mind, one of them updated. We don't have... Neither of them have it, okay. Wait, when does it work though? What if we just go position? Play? Oh, okay, it's kind of working. It is not working anymore though. Oh no. It was briefly. Yeah, okay, that's not okay. Oh, that's not okay. Wait, we really had player. New player position. Yeah, okay, so king player, and then this is king player. Save. Because that would mess up these, right? Client play. Okay, it did not like that. Player ID. Oh, right. King player. Play. Okay, it's kind of fucked. Wait, no. Okay, it still rotates. Fuck. But it's gone now. Yeah, okay, it still rotates weirdly. Okay, what if we go... What if we actually make this a top level now? Okay, I don't see it. Top level just breaks it. None of them think they're the top. Oh. Wait, why are they... Oh no, there we go. Yeah, okay, it's gone again. Okay. Okay, what if... Wait, what if we bring this back up? What if we forget about this remote transform stuff and we get rid of... We get rid of both of those. We comment this out. We go back to this. Then we go Does this work? This probably doesn't work, right? Process rotation equals negative owner dot rotation. This will not work, I think. Save. Play. I don't know where it is currently. Oh, we need more food on the server, that's for sure. Oh, what the? Let me stop doing top level. Top level is... I don't know where it goes. Client play. Wait, it kind of works. Wait, it kind of works. Okay, hang on. So, what if we go, goal angle is a float, save, and then here we go, instead of this, we go goal angle is equal to rotation. Yeah, this is fine. Right here we go, and goal angle. Wait, play. Wait, that doesn't work, but there is no other client to point to, so it kind of makes sense. Okay, no. It, this is not how it works. Huh. Oh, we don't need the owner's rotation. Wait. Let's get player back in here. At export var player. Because we want the player's rotation, because the camera doesn't rotate player. Although, yeah, that would explain why it was spinning, because we were... Well, does it? Not really. We need to wait until one of the Fimshes is crowned King Fimsh. Wait, no. No.
The Owlkaline declares the Great Fimsh.
The Great Fimsh. Yeah. I don't know how to do this. If we do top level, it should work, but we don't know where it is.
The Owlkaline declares Fimsh the Great.
Position x plus and position save the long schlong Fimsh.
Huzzah!
Yeah, huzzah! What if we go global position? Global position. Global rotation. We get this from global position and global position. I think I have a layering issue. If we go ordering, and we like plus like 10. Y SWAT enabled. If true, this and child canvas on nodes with a higher Y position are rotated in front of the nodes. Huzzah. Huzzah. Okay, we have no arrows. This is bad. Okay, it's just nowhere. Where did it go? Oh. Top level. If true, this canvas item will not inherit transform transparent. Okay. Draw will be changed to make a draw on top of other canvas items that do not have top levels to. You see, it should be on top of, but it's not. It's not though. Z is relative. What if we? Oh no! We don't want white swap. Where does it even go though? Like top level node doesn't work. Mm, 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 This is what you want to pan your node and rotate the same position as the child. Top level is true. Set the rotation. Oh. How to make command particular sprite ignore look at any rotation in node without changing sprite rotation. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Like I guess no, we can't do this. Fuck. Okay, what if we move this though? What if we move this? What if the problem is like if we cut it from here and we go save and we go to game, because this is where, well, the player's inside the player spawner, but what if we just paste it here? We just paste it here and we put it here, right? It'll be, yeah, it's in the corner at the moment. We go save, player. Ooh, yeah. So the question is like, can we get active camera? Can we get active camera? Camera. I don't think so. Mm, 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 mm. Wait, does game have the player spawner? Oh, we can get player from the index. Oh, this is true. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so instead of having player here, we have the player spawner. Player spawner? Like so. I did not update. Why are you not updating? This is a player spawner, right? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's not updating. It still says player here. That's not good. Oh. What if I just add another export? Var f float save. Oh, it's because we have this. Okay, we get rid of that. We just comment this out for now. Save. Yeah, okay, player spawner. Bam. This one will go func get player one ID. Your ID is int, and we return the player. And then we go or children. Well, yeah. We have this first one where we return null if there is no children. Copy. Otherwise we go. Well, we're raw player bound is equal to null, and then we return player bound, and we go for child in gets children. Here if child is player, we are if child dot owner ID is equal to ID, then player bound is equal to child, and then we break, and then we return this. Save. Under arrow, so by default we have visible equals false. Set King Fimsh. Yeah, okay, that will be soon. But we also need client network dots handle player spawned. Player spawned. What do we need to do this for? Or if it's us? Yeah, if it's us. We go func player spawned. What do we have? Spawn player, spawn, so player, spawn player. There we go. If player dot ID is equal to client network dot ID, then we know it's us. That's us that we're spawning. And visible equals true. Well, visible doesn't equal true, but var in game. Let's go plain. In-game. Wait, does game have an in-game function? I don't remember if I added that or not. I certainly have an in-game thing somewhere. It's not here though, that's fine. Wait, does this have in-game? No. Yeah, so we go in-game equals true. In-game bool equal to false. Here we go, in-game equals true. We also need player died. Okay, client. Player died. Save. Func. Player died. Player died. If player.id is equal to us, then we go in game equals false and visible equals false. What we do though is when there's a new king Fimsh here, we still set the ID, which is correct, but if it's if we are in game, elif in game, yeah. So this is only make visible if we are in game. Yeah. And then here we go var local player is a player save. Here we go if not player, then we go player spawner dot get player from ID, and we pass in client network.id, and then this is local player is equal to that, right? No identifier player. Oh yeah, it's local player. Local player. Oh yeah, this is local. It was null. We empty it out again when we die, or when we disconnect. Actually, it's die or disconnect client. Client network dot disconnect. Maybe it's not this. Maybe it's under network signals dot disconnected from server. Yeah, dot connects. I'm gonna call it clean up actually. Oh, clean up. And that will just be this. Here we go, clean up. Oh wait, this takes in. Oh no, it doesn't. Nice. It's fine. What's wrong with this? Is this a function? Ooh. On disconnect from server. Yeah, wait. In-game false, visible false. Yeah. Okay, nice. And then when we die, we also clean up. That's fine. Should it be reset? Maybe it should be reset. That's fine. Okay. Then then reset. Then what? Then here, if the player ID is asked, then we go position is equal to new player position. All right, this is from here. Yeah, okay. All right, we update the king Fimsh position, and well. We need to be like, if it's not this, then we just return because we don't care. And then we update the king position, which we change the angle, and then we also want to do this, but this is based off local player, global position, and local player, global position. Yeah, plus the max distance, but also or not local player. So either if this is not the right ID or we don't have a local player, then we don't do this at all. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh, they. Okay, none of them have the arrow. This is kind of good actually. Well, for now. Let's switch them. They don't know about each other yet. There is no arrow. Oh no. Why is there no arrow? Stop. Um. Hmm. What if I just put it on top of the player for now? See. Why do I keep missing the food? It doesn't show. It does not show. Hmm. Let's go push warning. Updating arrow. Let's see if it's actually making it here. Yeah, hello. How are you doing? That was the Fimsh. Wait, it's not. Well, hang on, we haven't gotten the king Fimsh yet. Oops. Yeah, okay, it's not updating. Wait, why is it not updating? Is the player... Is the player not being found? Push warning local player? Oh wait, this only happens when the window size is changed. Okay, that would explain a few things. Only make visible if we're in game. And if there's no local player, we need to get that. How do we get that? Is this fine when there's new King Fimsh? We get this? I think so. I think that makes sense because that's when it's visible. And we are in game. Yeah. Okay, play. Oh damn, look at that. Look at that, it's spinning. That's not quite right. And also it's huge. Why is it huge? What the? King position. What if I add the max distance thing? Also, why is it huge? On that part, I don't understand. Mm, mm, mm. I think I need to update the scoreboard interval more. Mm, mm. Neither of them have arrow. What did I change? Oh, I added the thing. Yeah, updating arrow. Okay. Max distance. Um. mm, King position. Oh, get angle 2 is wrong. This should be. Wait. This should be local player dot gets angle 2. Yeah, okay, this might be the problem. Client play. Oh no. Oh, I died. Mm, mm, mm. Oh. It got left behind. Okay, play. Oh shit. Okay, that was wrong. Is it facing the wrong way? Uh, why is it big though? I don't understand. Is it because we're zoomed in? I mean, yeah, I guess if we're zoomed in like this, it's big. That is weird. Oh, that's because we scaled the player. Wait, if I cut this and we go back to the player and we paste here, player spawner. Yeah, we don't have player spawner anymore. This is all the same. I think the only difference is instead of player spawner, we just change this to local player. And then we get rid of this. And then those issues. Oh, this, we don't have to check this anymore. Yeah, local player, boom, save. Okay, if we click play now, play. Mm, mm, mm. It says it's that way. I don't think it's that way. No. Unless the rotation's wrong. But I don't think that's... Well, the rotation might be wrong. Global rotation equals negative owner dot rotation plus angle. Like client, play. Yeah, no, that does not work. That does not work at all. Look at it. Also, it's big. Why are you big? Who made you big? This does not make sense. What is this? Arrow GD. Yeah, it's not big here though. What? How does it get big? Find scale? Size? No. Hmm. Wait, what if we go plus rotation? No, that doesn't make sense. I don't think that makes sense. Let's make the leaderboard update more frequently because this amount of updating is not okay. Wait, it's not rotating at all. Oh wait, yeah, it is. Let's go like this. Wait, is it working? Oh, it is working. You're nice. And then we do this. See, we click play. This might be not right because it's gigamplified for some reason. Yeah, none of them is too far out. Why are you gigamplified? That is the question. So I just save this. We come over here. What if we go delete the arrow? Okay. Add child node sprite 2D. Rename arrow. Find the arrow. What is this game? Overlay? Yeah, overlay arrow. And then here we go. Assets. This texture. Save. Click play. Oh, they passed each other. Oh yeah, there we go. It's not gigamplified anymore. So, oh wait, I already have this. Wait, click play now. Okay, it's no longer rotating. Wait, how can we have it function and now it just doesn't function? Oh, did I have the did I have top level on? Surely not. Region. If true texture is cut from a larger atlas texture? No. Oh, we don't have local player assigned. Okay, this makes sense. Client play, client play. Is it just too far out? Do we not see it because it's too far out? Maybe. Oh, it would be because it's not about the camera height. Well, it is a little bit. It is a little bit about the camera height size. was about the camera size. Wait a second. So what if we go at export camera video save? We still want this, but instead of window size, we go we'll still call it W size, then we go camera dot resolution camera dot size. Oh, custom viewport. Is current. Well, scale is just a 0 to 1 target canvas. No. Is screen transform. Oh, get viewport rectangle. I think so. And then that's fine. Click play. Okay, did not like that. Rect to W. Position and size. Oh, that's size. Right? Who's the biggest? Well, it's not working. Or if it is, it's not scaling correctly. What if we go max distance by half? We just half max distance, right? Click play. Oh, that's not good. None of them have it. I don't see it at least. Oh, where did it go? Why is this being frustrating? I don't understand. What if we just make it 10? Oh, what if we just make it 10? Do we make it 10 instead of max distance? How is this? Click play. Oops. Ah, no. Oh yeah, it is kinda, well, do I have it the wrong way around? If we go sign. Sarah, hello. How you doing? mm, 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 mm. Uh, there's something wrong with how we position that. Oh, okay, what if caught something? Passes hopefully soon. Oh no. Background looks nice, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I was pretty kinda I was kinda sick yesterday. I know, it was so weird. It was so weird. I hope you recover soon. Being sick sucks ass. So we get the position is supposed to be plus like 50 in towards the angle of either sine or cosine, but that doesn't actually work. Well, because we have to take in the owner's rotation. Yo, do you see the Silver Wolf drip marketing? Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. No, no, yeah, I think it just dropped like 2 seconds ago. Um, ooh. She's level 999, which is a pretty cool throwback. She's definitely elation though, which is imaginary and elation. It's something. She has like Thanos glove, but a black TM ish. Mm, 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 mm. I was gonna say something about Star Rail, but I forgot. It's gone. I forget. I might have. I might be fucked in Enfield though. I might only just get enough to guarantee a 5 star, and that's it, which would be unfortunate. Mm. Does she have it? Yeah, it does kind of look like that. Which is interesting. She doesn't have a mask though. Maybe the masks are unrelated because like you need a mask to participate in the Phantaz moon game thing, and she doesn't have this. But maybe it's just story wise. It might make sense anyway. Who knows? Who knows? What kind of boots are those though? Like I'm having it looks complicated in the art, the boots. And then the other boot is like not even the same kind of boot. I don't know. She has one knee pad on. A singular a, sing, a singular knee pad. So it is what it is. Mm, 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 mm. Boot looks fancy and a tail. Yeah, she had a tail thing from by default. But yeah, I guess it's maybe real tail. You're right. Maybe it is a real tail. I could have just shown this on stream, but I didn't. Silly me. But yeah, my I think Firefly E2 just doesn't mesh well with the Linux port. I think it's too strong for StarRail Linux. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, I don't know. Like whenever it's only that account that's ever crashed, and I'm always using Firefly. Although, the last time it did crash, I wasn't actually in battle, but I had just come out of battle, or I just went into battle. I think I just came out of battle, and then I like broke a breakable, and then it died. So I don't know what's up with that, but hopefully it's not too bad. Uh, Firefly hates Linux, yeah. I mean, it's so sad to have to be dropping my full dot team account. But like, yeah, at the moment it feels like the character diversity is like -3. Because like if we think about it, we have Ashvale next, which is well, like we have the two elations currently, and I think only Sparkle will be good for the well, M's the elation MC apparently can be in place of Yao. So you got Sparksy and either MC or Yao. So that's like an elation team. That's your choice. Or you have the next banner, which is Ashvale, which would be I don't know, just by themselves, and they got hella nerfed. So I don't know how good they're gonna be if you went solo. After that, you have probably both Elation, which is Silverwolf. Well, no, we know Silverwolf's Elation, and then the Abaneska, the Sakura girl. Like she's the same. She's equivalent as Genshin. Um, Yao, not Yao. Sakura girl. Pink hair girl. Don't remember her name in Genshin anymore. Fuck. But both of those are elation. But then after that we have I think we have new Blade after that, and then an unknown character. But then the patch after that is the one I'm excited for, because apparently we're getting Himiko, new Himiko, limited 5-star Himiko. I'm very excited. I love Himiko. Mm, 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 mm. Although I doubt she's going to be break again. That'd be cool if she is, though. Mm, mm, mm. New Himiko would be fire. Yeah. I wonder if it's gonna be like we get like a baby Himiko. So instead of being a progression of current Himiko, we get like uh baby Himiko when she was younger. But yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. I'm not that fast on Blade, although yeah, yeah. But anyway, as I was saying, like for teams and who to pull for, like at least in terms of the new ones, you either have like one random ass elation character, not elation, follow up character just randomly, or you're going elation and there's nothing else to go for currently, I guess. I guess the standard banners, the three standard banners, we have no idea about. Maybe this will diversify it, but yeah, don't know. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of hate this arrow thing. This arrow thing should be so simple, but it's so complicated. Mm, 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 Oh yeah, there we go. We have an arrow. Oh, oh. Yeah, okay. So it's backwards actually. Is it backwards? No, it's just always. Well, okay. Is 90 degrees off, maybe? Hmm. No. Well, actually, the arrow might be pointing the right way, which means I need to go like this. The actual, oh yeah, the actual rotation of where the arrow is not right. But that's what we had before. This was the problem. Fuck. Mm, mm, mm. Uh, why do you do this? If we go minus during the rotation, I don't think like this makes sense, but I don't think it actually works for some reason. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. Well, it might just be the opposite. I don't think so though. It didn't seem to be. Ah, if it's player died um or player the ID is equal to King Fimsh. Yeah, is equal to King Fimsh. Then we also reset it. That's fine. Mm, 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 dinner. Why you be like this? This this is frustrating. It is frustrating. Is there something else we can do? In probably. Walls don't take into this is really minor. The wall thing. Oh my god. I guess we'll do it. Scenes, static boundary GD. Width height. Set left wall. Oh yeah, so right. Plus thickness by half. That's basically what we need to do. So 0 is plus thickness by half. What's this top and bottom? Oh wait, no. Top? Oh. Top should be minus thickness by half. Bottom should be plus thickness by half. Right should be minus thickness by half. And this one should be plus thickness by half, I think. Yeah, what happened to the eat sound? Like, actually, it's gone. Okay, yeah, that's good. Well, oh, the width and the height. By half question mark? I need to make the edges more nice, I guess. There's a food on the outside, that's not good. Maybe the walls are too far in now. Mm. Mm. Oh, what if it's just one side? Like right is nothing, and then left. Well, let's do no thickness. Let's try no thickness of changes. Save. Um, save. Stop play. What does that look like? Okay. Yeah, the edges really they really fuck you over. Mm. I think the Fimsh is too fast at the moment. Okay. Okay. Nice. I think that's all right. Oh man, I'm so nervous. Where's the end? Oh, I'm too nervous. Oh, there it is. Okay, I think that's fine. I'm gonna take that off. We still need to expand random name. Well, yeah, this will be extra because it's like whatever. It's easy enough. Um, red scene's important. Red flowers important. Bugs, visuals. Oh yeah, snack. Where is snack? Player. You speed. What if we go 50? Save. Click play. Okay, 50 is too slow. What if we go 100? Save. Click play. Yeah, okay. 100's good. Oh,
Luna requests subscribe for a total of 17 months. The only
17.
snack I can see is Owlcat Cool Cat.
What the? Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, let's add a new food. I think that's where I'm up to. Because this is the last actual feature we have to do. And then we're done. And then when you're done, we also need to add a credit scene. But after this, like the final things are very small. And then like testing. Like tomorrow I'll definitely make tomorrow about testing. Um because we need to do some playtesting shenanigans. Mm, mm, mm. Surprised I'm not using Rust. Yeah. Well, like I wanted to check out the Godot stability patches, so and also I learned some tips and tricks that made all the annoying parts of Godot not annoying. And that has helped a lot. That has helped immensely. Okay, right, food. So we kind of need two kinds of food, which means um we need to add more to this food thing. Why does food have acceleration? Oh yeah, right. Oh wait, before we do this, why is there no eat sound? This is important. Why is there no eat sound? Audio. Audio. Oh yeah, audio. Audio scene. Audio eat. Audio. Eat noise. If it's us, play or noise eat. Audio eat. It is still here. Yeah. Is audio view owners question mark? We don't have that for this. Well. Here, view owners. Under main scene. Main scene. Oh yeah, audio is here. That's fine. Set points. Player set points. Oh, I know what's happening. I think it's because this is resetting to 0. Okay, this is a bug. Fix volume slider. Because yeah, if I have a look at global config, actually let's just go to settings. Well, this does have, yeah, it has master volume here, which by default is 0.5. Wait. The buttons still have sounds though, right? Oh. Which means sound on press. The script sound no. Button juice. Yeah, button juice. The volume. Wait, we need two things then. If audio player, here, if we go audio